Question 18. Find the length of BC there, the side BC. Well, that's the long side here on a right angle triangle. That's 90 degrees there. That angle there. And the long side opposite the right angle triangle is called the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, right? That's the hypotenuse. Now to find that, we know this angle here is 40. That's 40 degrees. So from this angle, from the point of view of this angle, say we're standing here and we're looking across, that side there is the opposite, OPP. And this side here we label the adjacent. So we have the hypotenuse, the opposite, and the adjacent. Now we're looking for the length BC. And that's the distance between the points B and C, which happens to be the hypotenuse. We call that H for short. So it's a right angle triangle, so sine, cos and tan are our trig ratios that can be used here. And we're looking at 40 degrees. So one of these is going to be useful to us. Now, two old angels, that's opposite over adjacent, sailing over heaven, carrying harp A over H, that's O over H, opposite. So we're not looking for the opposite, so forget that one. Are we looking for the adjacent? We're not, but we're looking for the hypotenuse H, and we know this cos 40 is just a number when we run it through the calculator. So we're going to use this guy here. So we can go handily set up A over H equals cos 40 degrees. Now H is what we're looking for. Cos 40 over 1 if you like. And we can, what can we do? We want H on its own, so we can kind of cross multiply really. You know, we can swap the H into cos 40 when all the algebra is done. We can swap the two of those guys, so we get A, that should be an A over cos 40 degrees equals H. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for the length. H is the length between B and C. That's a fancy way of saying the length there, right? We're looking for that. Now we know A, the adjacent, is 7 centimeters, so we can write in 7 over cos 40. And figure that one out. What's 7 over cos 40? So fraction key in the calculator. 7 over cos 40. Close the bracket. And we get 9.137. That works out at 9.137. Now 7 is high, so if you're going to 2 decimal places, we call that a 4. 9.14 centimeters. Accurate to 2 decimal places. Now if you wanted to check that and you had a bit of time on your hands, you could draw it out, you know. Draw a 7 centimeter line like that on some graph paper or something. And then draw another line like this with your protractor at an angle here of 40 degrees. And then another line down like this, you'll drop it down where you get a 90-degree angle. And you'll measure them off, and you should find that this line here turns out to be 9.14 centimeters on the page. That might be an interesting exercise.